So yan guys, punta tayo ng Brandon. Gano tayo ng tatanong-tanong tayo kung paano makarating sa International Peace Garden. Tara!
Rock your body. Rock your body. Now that our love has capsized.
Watch the full video on YouTube on Bear Pugs TV and don't forget to like and subscribe.